This is your little tutorial on how to put on Lefty's leg. So I usually stand in this position above him. He's accustomed to it. This is his prosthetic sock. This one happens to be dirty, but you've got several clean ones to take. I just pick up his leg, and you can see he's very accustomed to everything. And the sock goes on over his foot. You're careful not to catch anything. Make sure it lays nice and smooth and that it's tight. Pull it as tight as you can. Then you take his leg and you lay his leg in it. You can see the curve of the boot. Oops. The curve of the boot and the curve of his leg. So you just nicely lay it in there. And then tuck it in. His little foot, this is a toe. And that does not reach the bottom of the boot, so that's okay. It's not supposed to. And then you do up the middle strap first, and you do it up quite securely. So you pull it as far as you can. And then you do the bottom one up. And again, quite securely. And the top one. There we go. Lefty's a good boy. Okay. So that's how it looks when it's on. The only other thing to check is his little elbow sits right there. And you see there's a strap for his elbow, but his elbow should be nice and firmly in there. You can see the elbow sits right in there, tight. All right, and then if it's a rainy day, he gets his Medi boot on, and that just slides over his leg. Oops. Because you don't want it to get wet. And once the sock is wet, he has to have his leg come off. I always forget which way these go. You just do it up nice and tight. You're such a good boy, Lefty. And do this up nice and tight. And there you have your little dog in his leg. And if you want to take it off, it's just the same thing, set backwards. You undo the boot, take it off. You undo the straps. Put them out. And the leg comes off. And his sock comes off. And there's Lefty.